Hi, my name is Dara. Welcome to our channel, and in this video we will be reviewing a system called the Blue Hustle 2.0. Version 2.0 is the upgraded version, and we are foreseeing the new version to be doing even better than the first one because of the added special feature in it. In the description box below, you can get this new system for only $12.95. For $12.95, you get the entire Blue Hustle 2.0 system. You get 4 special bonuses from us and 1 special bonus from the vendor. Let me show you what exactly you are getting. Alright, okay, so over here we have Enigma. So Enigma is a fully fledged done-for-you business solution. It creates digital products and services for you. It finds you buyers for your product. And not just that, it comes with powerful tools built in, and some examples are voiceover with human-like voices in 41 different languages. It creates videos, graphics, sites, backlinks, SEO reports, articles, ebooks, and so much more. The second bonus from us would be the free Instagram traffic hack, and the third bonus from us would be insider tips to making great channel content. The fourth bonus would be Equinox, a software that covers 2 crucial points: gaining traffic and monetizing on that traffic. The fifth bonus would be the vendor bonus that the vendor of Blue Hustle 2.0 has created for you. For bonuses 1 to 4, these bonuses are only available if you purchase it via our link below in the description box. So what exactly can Blue Hustle 2.0 do for you? So think of it as a step-by-step blueprint for you to make money online. It is perfect for newbies as well as professionals. Regardless of what niche you are in, it is suitable for any business. You just need to set it up once and then forget about it. And of course, there are step-by-step video tutorials to get things set up properly for you. Okay, so the next question that people usually ask are, what if I'm new? I don't know how to create my own product. Or if I create my own product, who's going to buy my product from me? I'm new, I'm a nobody, nobody's going to know me, nobody's going to buy my product, but just hang on with me for just a little bit more. In here right now, we are in the members area, so make sure you go through the instructional guide as it will give you an overview what you will be learning throughout the course. This course is broken into 3 parts. The first part talks about product launching, the second part talks about affiliate marketing, and the third part talks about paid ads. Basically, this is a complete system. Thereafter, go through each of the videos one by one and start taking action. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of the word PLR before, but last time PLR was not a word that I heard of often, so I didn't know what exactly it was. So basically PLR, it means in internet marketing terms, private label rights. Yeah, so private label rights, PLR, is a license where the author sells most or all of its intellectual property rights to their work. And what do? We buy them. I'm going to briefly scroll through to show you the contents that you'll be getting. Of course, you will learn how to search for and get the PLR product, how to understand its content and then improvise on it. And then we'll get on to naming your product, creating a logo for your product. You'll also learn how to build pages, list the product, and offer your new product on affiliate marketing platforms like Warrior Plus. And of course, you will need good offers and upsells to entice your customers. Okay, so at any time when you encounter problems, you can always contact the support team and they will get back to you in a very short time. And if for any reasons you are still unhappy with this product, we offer a no questions asked 30 days refund back to you. So there's really no risk on your part. Once you have finished the product launching module, the next module would be the affiliate marketing training, where the modules will teach you how to find and get approvals from the product vendors. I just want to reiterate earlier what we mentioned about getting 2 streams of income. The first stream of income from launching your own product line, and the second stream of income from promoting other people's product, which we have mentioned. It is called affiliate marketing. In this next module of the course, you'll be learning about how to get approvals for product offers from the product vendors, how to create a review video of that product, create bonus pages, manage your inbox and spams, and most importantly, learn about the power of free traffic and how to use it. So I have gone through two parts of the course. The first part would be creating your own product. The second part would be getting offers from the vendors. And if you want to take this to a higher level, if you want to be an expert all-rounder in this whole digital space, you need to be learning about paid ads, Facebook campaigns. In this last part of the course, you'll be learning how to use Facebook to scale your business. You'll be learning about campaigns, about ad sets, about Facebook pixels to track your campaigns. Basically, all you need to know about running a Facebook campaign. Lastly, we also have bonuses for you to set you up for success. Finally, I think we have all heard this saying that the money is all in the list. But what list if we are new to internet marketing, we are new to this whole big digital space? But really, the route, right, to financial success is really by releasing your own product. With your own product launch, you will not only get the buyers list, you will also get recognition from fellow product launches, and this is where the magic really happens. To sum things up, the three main points that I've spoken about earlier, if you have forgotten everything that I've said. Okay, three main points. The first point would be to search out for a product that appeals to you the most. The second point would be to find out the basic principles of that particular chosen product. And the third most important point would be to apply the Blue Hustle 2.0 strategy to this chosen product. In a nutshell, you find a product, you understand the product, you test the product, you tweak the product, you rebrand the product, you rewrite the product, and boom, you created your own unique product that you can call yours. Your investment for all this valuable information that you'll be getting is only at $12.95 with add-ons available. I'm going to leave all this information down in the description box below, so to check them out if you are interested. Till then, take care. Thank you so much for watching our review, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.